I'm going to show you how to turn off read receipts on iPhone message. So this is when you send a message and you get notified that they have read the message because it comes up red on that message thread. I'm going to show you how to turn this off. So let's go first to our messages and go ahead and pick the contact or the conversation that you want to turn this off. So once you're here, go ahead and click on the person's name. And then what you want to do is go ahead and just hit send read receipts. You want to toggle this off. And that's it for that. So for the next part, we can come out of message and we can go to our settings, and I'm going to show you how to turn this off for everybody. So let's go down to our apps, and then you want to go ahead and type in message. And from here, you want to scroll all the way down until you find where it says send read receipts. As you see, I have it toggled on, and all you have to do is toggle this off. And that's it. From this point forward, now everybody will not get the read receipts on their message. And that's it.